nobody is going to believe I made this commercial with AI. This is just a preview. Later, I will show you what this ad is really about, but brands pay over $10,000 for this, and I made it completely alone right here at my desk. If you learn this exact workflow, this is the most profitable skill on the internet right now. People are building entire AI ad agencies around this, and today I am showing you the full workflow from scratch. So the platform making this all possible is Lovart, and the crazy thing is their newest video model, Seedance 2.0, just went fully live on the site. You do not have to wait in a queue or sign up for a waitlist anymore. It is just open for everyone right now. I dropped the link in the description, so go ahead and click that so you can follow along with my exact steps. Alright, so once you're inside Lovart, I click the skill icon and choose script-based storyboard. This tells the AI to act like a professional movie director and map out the entire commercial for me. Then I paste my exact commercial idea directly into the prompt box. I tell the AI I am wearing a tailored suit and a luxury watch, and every time I rotate the watch crown, I teleport through time. I go from a modern subway to ancient Pompeii to a pirate ship and then outrun a T-Rex with 2 cavemen before crashing into a corporate boardroom. Now, I am not going to read this entire prompt, but if you want to copy and paste it, I put the whole thing in the description below. But look right here at the bottom of the prompt. This is the secret sauce. To stop the video from looking like a cheap cartoon, I command the AI. Every single scene must be super hyper-realistic live-action commercial photography, absolutely no 3D, no CGI plastic look, use natural skin textures, and keep my face completely identical to the reference photo. Once I hit send, Lovart breaks the whole idea down like a real production. It analyzes the concept, locks the structure, and builds a full storyboard plan. It already understands the scenes, the flow, and the style. It knows this is a cinematic commercial. Now this part matters. The agent stops and asks for my character reference. I upload 2 regular photos of my face and hit send. The Lovart agent instantly analyzes my bone structure, my skin, and my hair, and turns them into one consistent character. It locks my identity so I look exactly the same in every single scene. If you want to tweak it, you can click adjust. But this looks perfect to me, so I just click character approved. Now this part is nice. When I click it, Lovart automatically drops a simple prompt in for me. I do not have to write anything or guess the right words. It saves so much time. So I hit run. The agent generates the full breakdown. It prepares all the scenes and all the visual directions step by step before creating the images. You can modify any specific scene if you want, but this plan is flawless. So I click approve script and hit run. Now, watch what happens next. On the left side of the screen, the agent starts generating the actual storyboard panels one by one. It is using Nano Banana Pro, which is Lovart's latest top-tier image model. It locks in my exact identity and drops me straight into the action. Oh, honestly, the results are absolutely insane. Look at this. Here I am sprinting through the ash in Pompeii. Here I am, suspended in midair. It is completely photorealistic, incredibly dramatic, and highly cinematic. It generated the entire storyboard perfectly without me having to touch a single camera. Now, let me quickly show you how to make adjustments. If you want to change a specific scene, just left-click, hit Add to Chat, and tell the agent exactly what you want. When you select any image, you get a full suite of pro editing tools. You can upscale the image, remove backgrounds, or edit specific elements. But let me show you my absolute favorite tool. It is called multi-angles. This feature lets you completely change the camera angle of any image. For example, in this cliff jump scene, I want a terrifying high-angle shot looking down. Instead of writing a new prompt and ruining the image, I just use these sliders. I rotate, tilt, and scale the subject perfectly. I set my camera position and hit run. Look at that! I just created a completely new camera perspective using simple horizontal rotation and zoom controls. Now, for this insane cliff jump scene, I actually need a second, completely different angle for the next video cut. I want a sharp side profile view. So, just like I showed you earlier, I am going to use the multi-angle feature again. I grab the slider, rotate the camera heavily to the left, hit run, and look at that. It instantly gives me the exact dramatic side angle I need without having to write a new prompt. But looking at this new angle, the composition is slightly off. Right now, the cavemen and I are all falling at the exact same height. To make this look like a real movie, I want my character to be drastically lower, like I am falling way faster than them. Normally, you would have to completely regenerate the image. Not here. I just open Lovart's Move Object tool. I highlight my character, the AI automatically selects me, and I grab the box to drag myself way down toward the bottom of the screen. I hit run, and boom. Look at that massive shift. My character is moved completely down, and the AI perfectly reconstructed the cliff right where I used to be. The background is completely intact. You get total compositional control in seconds. Now that our scenes are flawless, the agent asks to assemble the final storyboard sheet. I just click the button, hit run. After I hit run, it assembles everything into the final storyboard. You can see it organizes the entire project into a clean, professional structure. It splits the story into clear acts, modern world, Pompeii, pirate ship, prehistoric, and the final boardroom. Each scene is placed in order, exactly how the story flows. Now I'm not guessing anymore, I can clearly see the full video before generating it. Seeing all the panels lined up like this, with me in every scene, it feels like a real cinematic storyboard. Everything is structured, everything connects, and it's ready for the next step. From here, I move straight into video production. I click video production, then go into the skills section and select the Seedance 2.0 model for the video generation. Once that's set, I hit run. Okay, the video starts processing. Oh, I think we have a problem, a content policy violation. The agent is telling me Seedance 2 prohibits the use of real human faces. Now, before you panic, if you are running a real advertising agency, this is actually exactly what you want. This is enterprise-grade deepfake protection. It stops people from illegally animating real faces, which protects you and your clients from massive legal headaches. So it is actually a huge green flag. But look how smart the Lovart agent is. It does not just crash and leave me stuck. It instantly gives me two workarounds. Option A, switch to a different model like Kling V3 that does allow real faces. Or option B, stick with Seedance 2.0, but the AI will use text to video instead. This means it will cast a brand new copyright-free digital actor instead of my real face. Since this whole video is about testing how insane Seedance 2.0 is, I am sticking with option B. I select the text-only Seedance option and hit generate. All right, the clips are done generating. Now, because of that safety policy, the guy in the video is definitely not me. He has my vibe and the same suit, but it is a totally original AI character now. I just download everything from Lovart, drag the clips into Premiere Pro, and combine them. Guys, you really do not need a film crew anymore. Check out this final result. I mean, come on, that is just crazy. The quality is insane, the camera movement, the lighting, the physics. Seedance 2 literally thinks like a real cinema camera. A commercial like that used to cost 50 grand and require a massive VFX team. We just did it in minutes using one single platform. Sure, there are a few minor errors, and I could easily regenerate that specific scene, but honestly, I just love the current style and how it turned out. Now, let me show you how to generate high-end video ads without writing complex prompts. I found this really cool outfit on Pinterest, and I wanted to see if the AI could actually handle something this detailed. So I just drag and drop the image right into Lovart. I select Seedance, and I am going to keep this super simple. For the prompt, I literally just type, create a 15-second cinematic fashion video in a firelit cave. A strong female model wearing this exact outfit. Focus on dramatic lighting, slow-motion fabric movement, and keep everything ultra-realistic. I am not going to overthink it. I just hit run. The agent instantly analyzes the reference image to lock in the exact textures and details of the outfit, and it starts processing the video. Okay, the video is ready. Let's see what we got. Are you actually kidding me? That literally looks like a high-end movie. Just watch the way that fabric actually flows in slow motion. The dramatic lighting, the camera angles, even the music it generated. None of this feels like AI. Look at the tiny details here. The fire reflecting in the background, the heavy shadows, the actual physical texture on the clothes. It is perfectly locked in. And the wildest part to me is that we pulled this off with one random Pinterest picture and a super lazy prompt. That is actually mind-blowing. Now, here is something huge. Seedance 2.0 is not just for massive cinematic commercials. It can also generate those raw, viral UGC-style videos for TikTok and Reels. Let's say I want to make a UGC ad for this bright yellow Savannah Bananas baseball bat. I just upload the picture of the bat, select Seedance, and again, I keep the prompt super basic. I just tell it, create a vertical selfie-style video of a guy reviewing this bright yellow baseball bat at a field. Natural lighting, handheld phone camera movement, realistic energy, and show him taking one clean swing. I drop that in, hit run, and give it a second. Okay, the video is ready. Let's check this out.
Bro, look at this bat. The Savannah Bananas collab, I had to get it. The colors are actually insane in person. Yellow is way brighter than the photos. Grip feels solid, really clean wrap on it. Woohoo! Let's go, baby. That thing is live. If you're sleeping on this bat, bro, I don't know what to tell you. This might be my new go-to.
Wait, what? Look at this and tell me honestly, does this even look like AI to you? Because to me, that literally looks like it was just recorded on an iPhone. The handheld camera shake feels totally natural. The details on the bat are super sharp, and that swing does not look stiff or fake at all. Even the voice is generated inside the video. Lip sync stays clean, same person, same setup, nothing breaks. And this is what actually matters. You do not need crazy complex prompts. You do not need to hire actors, buy microphones, or get a full production team. You literally just give the AI a simple idea, and it builds a complete, ready-to-post ad with perfect audio. If you are paying attention right now, you already see the massive opportunity here. You can easily charge brands and local businesses to create unlimited content like this for them. It is so practical. Do not ignore this shift. The tool is live right now. The link is in the description. Keep testing, keep building. God bless, and I will see you in the next one.